Alright.
I guess I should have tried.
Point white!
I felt when you grabbed my center there. It's interesting how much different it feels when you get to
1 to 50. So a quick drill, Lou. So we're gonna stand right here. So I'm just gonna have you relax. 1 foot forward. That's like you understand. So I'm gonna push on either side. You're just gonna let it roll back. Keep it relaxed with your arms and hands. And let's just let my energy go through you. So try not to help me.
Oh.
So you move. Just push my shoulder. Yeah, I don't help you. And then just give it a push and let it return back to normal. Yeah, see how my arm is just strong. Just hanging. Yeah. So you're not
Helping.
right. So that's the technique. Yeah, this is really gonna do. So push there. Now you cover the still. There you go. See how loose and relaxed it is? Now that's my energy going through you. Just allow it to go through you. But now try and keep the hips still. Keep the hips forward and just allow this to open up. That would be really helpful. So push mine again. Just allow it. And then one of the drills we do too is like from the motion created here, I would just bring my hand up. Boom. Okay. So do it again. Hand up. You do the other side. Alright, the same hand. Yeah. So this hand comes up. Boom. This is the move that I did you before. It's the same thing. So when you push here, I just let it go. Then I bring this hand up. So when I push here, it's gonna bring it on the inside. This is the same hand. Let's bring it up here. There you go. See that? I'm trying to do the cradle. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna give it to you.
Oh, don't worry.
Yeah. So now, same hand gonna come up outside the arm. Right, and now rotate your weight back up. Boom. Boom. And then rotate back. Yeah, do the whole thing. I gotta follow that if I like my arm. And I do like my arm. No, that's good. That's what I want you to do. All right, do a couple with Ryan. Comes in here. So this side, I just cleared off. Just same one, just do it. Do it again. I just come up connect. Because a lot can come out of that. Do it again. So from here, I can pull them down this way.
I was wondering if it is or not.
Yeah. From here. So if I pull it, you step in the shoulder. And boom. Do it again. So once I pull, I just touch here. And then drop that. So that's the plus.
Oh, yeah.
The plus. Right. Okay. I like to go higher though to make sure that they go shoulder.
Oh, I was way up on the mountain.
Come in right here. So you put your in. Come in here. I was on your shoulder blade. Alright. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, that's it. Yep. Just do it a couple more times, get a good feel for it. So your idea is that you want to pluck him, but don't let him hit you with the shoulder. Yeah, so take it that way. Yeah. You know what, don't worry about nobody perfect. We just getting the feel for it. Do it over and over. Actually do Ryan a couple times, keep training back and forth. Ryan, you can do whatever you want. If you want to do that.
That's fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh. That was smooth.
Yeah, that was like that.
So what's in the street? The street is it's right here. Yeah, yeah. So I like to do, like if you do that, I like to come over the arm. So if people do that, I come over this way. You shut up.
Something that happens too.
Yeah, more so for like push hands or grappling. Like a lot of times grappling people, they're pushing on you. Yeah, see that? Right. So a lot of times there's people pushing different parts of your body. If you can yield, there's always something you can do. This is just one example of that. So it'll be all over the place, different stuff.
I see something, Chris. If you
Yeah.
see it,
On video. It's right there. Here. And then this one's coming over, and then put the pressure on my elbow.
do I step it? I feel like I want to step like this.
Nah, don't do that. So just rotate just rotate down on my elbow.
Is that the whole thing?
Yeah. More pressure on my elbow joint. There you go.
I always like to ask something practical on the street. You know, isn't this one a good one too? But you're teaching us one.
I can do the same thing with two hands. Same exact lock. Except two hands. I just choose one. I'll take this one. This is the elbow coming over, so it's better for me. So like that. So this hand I can start manipulating the wrist and doing different things like that.
Whatever elbow.